most information out there.
So I don't really go to Google for information. I go straight to the source. I go straight to them. So we gotta stop being scared to read too.
Step into a world few have explored, a place where tradition collides with an unexpected twist. Picture this, the simplicity of Amish life blending with the thriving cannabis industry. Yeah, you heard that right. The same community, known for horse-drawn buggies and handcrafted barns, is turning heads with their unique, high-quality cannabis strains. Curious? Buckle up, because today we're uncovering the fascinating story behind this unlikely partnership. Get ready for some jaw-dropping revelations. Imagine a community steeped in centuries of tradition, untouched by the rush of modern life. Your mind likely goes straight to the Amish. Arriving in North America in the 18th century, they've spent generations living simply, away from the noise of contemporary society. Tucked into the picturesque countryside of Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Indiana, their lives revolve around family, faith, and farming, a timeless harmony of values. Known for their craftsmanship and unparalleled farming skills, the Amish have long been celebrated as masters of the land. But here's a curveball you might not expect. Cannabis cultivation. Yeah, you heard that right. While the Amish are famous for their baked goods, furniture, and thriving crops, their age-old farming expertise has quietly expanded to include marijuana. With a deep understanding of crop rotation, natural fertilizers, and the rhythm of the seasons, they cultivate toxin-free, high-quality harvests, setting a new standard in agriculture-based industries. So, how did one of the most traditional communities in America find its way into the cannabis trade? The answer lies in a mix of economic necessity and shifting laws. Traditional crops like corn and wheat no longer bring in the profits they once did, pushing some Amish farmers to explore new opportunities. With marijuana increasingly legalized and offering significant financial returns, it presented a compelling option, a way to keep their families secure while staying true to their farming roots. But not every Amish family is on board. The Amish live by the Ordnung, a set of church-prescribed rules that govern everything from their use of technology to how they...
Which, that's funny, because that links back to that video we did, I believe, last Sunday, where they was talking about, hey, if your church approves of certain things, then that's what you believe in. If your church don't approve of certain things, then that's what you don't approve of. So, hey, if not, you find a different church that approves of the things you believe in. That's what I said. It's all about community. So that's why there's going back into, as they say, separation of people that allow things and people that don't. They don't allow it in one place, okay, respectfully move to another place, because they allow it somewhere here in the United States. I mean, no matter what it is. Estrell, we got a premiere on Spider Pig later this afternoon. You know, we got that cinematic premiere, 1 minute. Shout out to you. You know, I gave you a shout out somewhere in the comments or something like that. It might have been earlier in the video. Hit the replay in case you didn't see it, though. But yeah, we're going to increase the play speed over here, because I ain't trying to hold y'all up all day with videos, because we still got more stuff to do in the green room anyways. So let's see, playback speed, 1.5 for those who know, you know.
Farm. These rules vary across communities, shaping their views on what is acceptable. For those who have embraced cannabis, it's not about moral conflict, it's about practicality. They see marijuana as just another crop, valued for its medicinal and economic potential, rather than any controversy surrounding it. Here's an important distinction. The Amish don't consume cannabis. Their role is purely in its cultivation and trade, treating it no differently than tobacco or hemp. Their approach is pragmatic, not provocative, a way to adapt to modern economic challenges without compromising their values. Despite their reputation for being frozen in time, the Amish have consistently shown a knack for adaptability. From selling handcrafted furniture to baked goods and now cannabis, they found ways to engage with a modern economy. Intrigued? It gets better. The cannabis strains grown by the Amish are as unique as their farming methods. Let's go into what makes their products stand out from the rest. Within the Amish community, there's a deep understanding and respect for the earth that is translated into their cultivation practices. They don't chase new trends or new exotic strains. Instead, they focus on unique strains that thrive in their countryside and mirror their well-known purity and craftsmanship. Sour Amish Diesel adapts the legacy of the established sour diesel and adds an Amish twist, making it something extraordinary. With an intense earthy aroma complemented by stimulating citrus notes, it's the right pick for moments.
So for all y'all New York people that want some sour diesel, you need to get you a new Amish plug. You see what I'm saying? Shouts out to them Amish plugs, because they got that Amish sour diesel, which is one of those things that y'all been looking to get back on anyway. Shouts out to that Amish. They already got you covered.